Hello guys, in this video I made dry, wet and metal waste segregator using Arduino. This video has complete building tutorials with free circuit diagram and codes. To begin with, you need these components: Arduino Uno, NPN Proximity Sensor, stepper motor with driver, battery holder with connector, micro servo, rain sensing module, small breadboard, red LED, wheel, lithium ion battery and few jumper cable. Here is the complete circuit diagram for this project. You can check the description box below for circuit diagram explanation. After you build all the connection, insulate the joints with hot glue. Now you can finally upload Arduino program to this Uno board. To check if the circuit and codes are working fine, connect Uno board to external power source. Wait for few seconds. To make the segregator box, I have made a circle and divided it into 3 parts. I have made 120 degrees division here. Now hold the servos to check the exact releasing position. Simply follow this step. Now since you know where exactly the dedicated position are for the objects, we will give it a proper segregation mechanism. To build this, I will use a large piece of board. To elevate the height, I will use this 3D printed frame. Well, this is an optional part. You can use other alternative materials as well. Use hot glue wherever necessary. Now you can finally test this project, but before, let me explain how this project works. When the obstacle is detected by IR sensor and rain sensor combined, it is classified as wet substance. If proximity sensor senses any metal, it is classified as metal. And if none of this is fulfilled, it falls under dry. Well, this was all about this project. If you have any question, ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching.